It is kind of like woody maple syrup. Better keep a bottle in your pocket or somewhere. Hello and welcome to Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore Sultania Aromas Oud oils. So the website is sultaniaaromas.com, and this brother actually sent me a few of his oil samples, oud oils. So if you are an oud addict like me, you have to see this video. So first we are going to explore which is Sultania Aromas, I think it's Miri Sarawak, Malaysia. So this is the bottle. This is the bottle I got from one of my friends. So this is Sultania Aromas. It is kind of like woody maple syrup. So I'm going to use it on my hand. So I'm going to just dip it like this and put it on my hand over here. Okay, so let's get some more. Refreshing, very light, delicate, syrupy, sweet. There is a very light woodiness in the background. It is a very lovely profile for summers, I would say. Very sweet. I would really recommend it, or I would love it on a woman. Okay, so this is going to be amazing. So yes, this is not very powerful, but this is very interesting scent profile for this oud oil, Miri Sarawak, I think from Malaysia, and it was distilled in, let's see if it has 2024. So it is just 1 year old sample. I wouldn't say it is very unique. I have sniffed similar scents from Imperial oud oils, similar scent profile, but this one is really good. It has a little bit of power, and with time it would become a bit more potent, but it is very light, sweet, syrupy, light woody, kind of like maple syrup or something, some berries kind of syrup. So it is kind of like refreshing scent, uplifting, refreshing, calming, cool kind of scent. So this is my review about this oud oil from Sultania Aromas Miri Sarawak from Malaysia, distilled in 2024. I hope if you are a beginner, I would really recommend that you try this oud oil, and very lovely sweet oil. So it is recommended for winters, and I would really love it on a woman or any female. Okay, so this is my review, and now I'm going to give some rating to this oud oil. So from scent profile, I would give it 7 out of 10 because it is not very new, but it is a very lovely summer uplifting kind of oud oil scent profile. And for performance, I would say it is 5 out of 10. Mostly these natural or these artistic oud oils, these pure oud oils, they are not going to perform that well. So they are going to stay like maximum 2 hours on your skin. So better keep a bottle in your pocket or somewhere, or maybe sleep, put these while you go to sleep. So what I do is I actually put it over here on my chin, in the beard. So when I sleep like this, I get whiffs of these oud oils while I sleep. So this is another way of using them. Anyhow, so this is my review. I hope you have enjoyed this review about Sultania Aromas. If you have used any of these kind of oud oils, do let me know in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.